Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can put images and photos on Canva into shapes. So let us get started. Now first and foremost guys, right from the get-go, this method is not going to work with simple shapes you select from the Canva library here under elements. Let's go for example with a simple shape here from Canva, and let's go with that circle here to show you that it doesn't work like that. So if I try to add a photo from the Canva library to that image or to that shape and put that photo or image on that circle here, it won't work. It won't fit into the given circle. So guys, we need to use a different method or solution for this. So let me remove these objects and elements really quickly and head back to the element section here on the left hand side and return and use frames instead of shapes. To do that, I use that search bar at the top, type in frames, and after that click on see all here next to frames and select your preferred frame. So again, let us go for circle. So click onto it and adjust its size and position here on your canvas, just like that. And after that, again, head over to the photo section and pick a photo or image from the library or one of your uploaded photos. So let me go with this one here. And after that, simply move your image or photo onto that frame, release your left mouse, and there you go. It will automatically fit into that frame or shape, just like that. You may of course customize it by, for example, clicking onto your frame and adjust its size and position, or if you double click into it, you will be given the opportunity to adjust also the position of the image in the background, for example, just like that, by moving it, and so on and so forth. Click on down here in the in the bottom left corner, and that is going to put your image or photo into the shape, and it fits perfectly. That's how it works guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.